conscious cinema copy. I just copy. I'll go back to this.
Just let everything go. Let everything go. Now, another auto layout should say. Now, when you click on sheet, everything just aligns to the middle. That way. Now, that's the first layout, and this last layout will do something. Are you done? Let everything from the logo down to that last button. Now, sheet say. Now, they're going to light it again. Alright? No, they're just going to, you should say it. It's still there. You should say it again. No, just should say it. Two layouts now. Yes, two layouts now. Now, I'm coming. I'm answering your question. Now, I've done the second should say it's looking like this, right? Yes. Now, just drag. Drag it to one edge. Drag it to one edge. Don't worry. Drag it up. There. Now come here, come to the alignment of auto layout, not this alignment. The auto layout alignment, take it to the middle. If it's not going to the middle, click on the inner layout and then remove this. Okay, don't worry. Take it to the middle. Take it to the middle. Is it aligned to the middle? Go is aligned to the middle, don't worry. So let me go again. Watch it. Watch it, please. Very good.